Viral, viral, viral. Meaning: viral describes something, usually a video, photo, message, or trend that spreads extremely quickly from person to person on the internet, especially on social media. It originally comes from the word virus, which spreads fast, so a viral video spreads like a digital virus. Examples: the video went viral overnight. A viral meme can make someone famous in a day. Her dance clip became viral on TikTok. Brands try to create viral content to get attention. Thanks for hanging out with me today. See you later. Bye!